Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on the Worldcoin, which I haven't covered in quite a while, but I used to trade it quite a bit when it was still up here. Had some good trades on it. Should have probably let my short run a little bit longer because I shorted from like 2.4, and that could have been an amazing trade. Wasn't. I took my profits, I think, around like 2.15. So. Doesn't matter. Right now, WLD is actually showing some bullish momentum. So I just wanted to make a video on where that could go. I mean, WLD, if we take a look at it right now, it's actually looking fairly interesting. Like the open interest has dropped down a bit, but the open interest actually got very, very high. That's also how you could have predicted already like this. So now the big question is like we're really at a point where this could continue onto a very big bull run. Or it's over, because the open interest is dropping right now. Has dropped about 10% in the last, last hour or so. So yeah, pretty interesting. We'll talk about it. Before we do that though, I do want to mention that if you want to receive calls about coins like these, because I have some new strategy in which I actually see most of these coins early, but I mean it's hard to really analyze which one is going to go off and which one isn't. But if you want to be noticed of them, then consider joining via the links down in the description. I have my own premium group. You can join that via those links. There I share my own trades, but you also gain access to a chat room full of traders and my trading guide, very valuable. If you're interested in that, consider joining via the links down in the description. But for now, let's get into WLD. So yeah, like I said, I mean, it's really in the middle also technically seen, because it found resistance here at the 236 Fib, which is a major Fibonacci level. So it found resistance there, but now it's also finding a bit of support at the 382 Fib off of the bullish move we just made, and which is also supported by this key level and the 100 EMA. So the big question is, in my eyes, it's not necessarily like, can we break out above 1.37 and 1.4, because that's the main resistance level. It's also, can WLD hold this level around 1.25? I'm just going to call it 1.25. The actual technicals are a little bit above that, around 1.26. But still, 1.25 was also a hit. So that's the big question. And I would say that we're going to see that today. And some other things to look at are definitely that open interest, that volume. The volume right now is still growing. But if you, for example, see the volume dropping down now, then that would be bearish indication. All right, I would say at this point of time, because I do think Worldcoin is a bit manipulated, like a lot of volume from Top Credit and BingX, which are two exchanges which have a history of manipulations. I would say the most likely scenario is that it will actually still go up from here, and that it's able to break above 1.37. And once it's broken above 1.37, 1.4, it's going up to 1.55, 1.6, and sky's the limit from there. Who knows? I'll probably update it then. Some important levels are, like I said, 1.55, 1.5, then you get to 1.75, then you get towards 1.9, 1.95. But we do need to get that bullish breakout, all right? It looks most likely now, but with these manipulated cryptos, that could turn very, very quickly. So if I would even go as far to say that if WLD actually breaks down below 1.25 now, it's probably over. Like, it's probably going to drop down towards 1.1 and then $1 again. And this whole rally was just a short manipulated rally, but it will be over then. All right, so that's my full take on it for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.